Hello, how you doing? Look, let's get this potato salad together. It's really delicious. I've got some cooked potatoes in there, cubed them up. I'm going to get some pepper in there. Now, I'm not going to be adding salt to this because we're adding cheese and some mayo and things like that. So it's up to you if you want to put that in. I've got a little bit of fresh mint. A fresh herb is always fantastic, isn't it? A little bit here of green onions, just the top parts of these. Then we're going to get in some sweet corn. Look, by the way, you can adjust the amounts of all of this. You can just see what I'm doing, but adjust it how you want. I've got some cucumber there. Not going to put all of that in. Parmesan cheese, kind of a handful of Parmesan in there. And then we're going to go for, in my case, I'm going to go for some Gorgonzola. A blue cheese, you might not like that, but if you want, you could add a different cheese like a mozzarella or a cheddar. We're going to give a good old squeeze of mayo. In fact, I'm not going crazy with it. I don't want it swimming in it, you know? And then simply what we're going to do is just give that a little mix. And you've got yourself a beautiful, cheesy, creamy potato salad. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.